So I've been getting some questions here about the Per4mer and how you connect it to, say, something like Maschine, MPC, the Force, or any other drum machine or groove box that you may have, or even synth, or anything that you may have that you want to connect this to. It's really just about audio in and audio out. I know this is a Eurorack module, but it's as simple as getting audio in and getting audio out. So let me just demonstrate a couple of things to you. So this is the configuration of the Per4mer that I know a couple people have that are using it as a standalone performance effects unit or tabletop performance effects unit. So what you do when you have this kind of setup with a little case like this particular one is by Per4mer. It's called a Pod 20. It fits the Per4mer perfectly because this is 20 HP wide. The Per4mer is 14 HP wide. Then you could take something like this to fill in the space, or you can get a module like this Per4mer Listen IO, which gives you, input and output, additional input and output. So if you needed to run extra things in there, but you really only need the Per4mer to put audio in and get audio out. And the kind of cables you would need to do that with your drum machine, MPC, Force, Octatrack, whatever. And with a little setup like this, you need these TS cables, just simple mono patch cables. This is two of them together. You have the 3.5 millimeter on one side and the 1/4 inch on the other side, and they're just simple mono cables. So what you do with this, these 1/4 inches are going to go from your drum machine. Smaller 3.5 joints are going to go into the Per4mer, and then you'll take another set of the same kind of cables. You run the smaller end out of the Per4mer, then you run the larger end into your audio interface. So that would look something like this. Put these on the back here. Like so. Put this in input on the Per4mer. Half the job is done now. So now you have your machine or MPC or Force or whatever it is that you're working with. The output, the main output, is going into the left and right input of the Per4mer. Now you'll take your other set of cables. It's just two cables, right? Same type of two cables. You'll take 3.5 millimeter in, put that in the output. Now you have your signal going from your drum machine into the Per4mer and then out. It just depends on where you want the signal to go. You can plug this right into your audio interface and you'll have the connection that you need to play music through the Per4mer, use the compressor, use the delay, reverb, tape stop, and everything. That's as simple as it is. But when I get a chance, I'll make a more in-depth video demonstrating it as well. But that's the way you do it. So yeah, let's get those Per4mers patched in and working up, man.